Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle, here to wish you a happy Canada Day and a happy 4th of July. We will be closed for the 4th of July so that we can all spend time with our families and go out and have fun and relax a little bit. Our website, of course, is open 24/7 and any orders placed over the weekend will be fulfilled the following Monday. On top of that, we are offering a 5% off across the board weekend special. Basically anything on our website for US customers, you still get your free shipping, but you're going to get an additional 5% off. So if you've been waiting to buy those LED lights or whatever, and you want to take care of it this summer, this would be a good time to do it. Use the code July4 2025. So July 4, 2025. That'll be a place to enter that when you go to the checkout as your discount code, and you will automatically get 5% off your entire purchase. We're not excluding any items. We're not keeping anything out of this. It's just so if you want a midsummer project to play with, here's a great chance to get a leg up on it. I hope you all have a very safe and fun 4th of July, and we'll come back and see you on Monday. Have a good time.